Tutorial on how to transfer money from Paymaya to GCASH. First, log into your account. Then click the bank transfer and select the GCASH. And also for the recipient details, you need to put your account number. Your account number is your phone number, the number that was registered for your GCash account, and then the name of the recipient, and also the last name, and also the purpose of this transaction. I just covered the details of the phone number or account number for security. Oops, I forgot to write the amount. You can write any amount, not less than 1 peso. So just try the 1 peso since this is for example only. And then it will prompt you it will send a one-time PIN. And after that, click proceed. And there you go. The transaction transfer is successful. Thanks for watching, and I hope it will help.